Welcome back to YachtLens, where we're exploring another distinctive yacht frame by frame. Today we are stepping aboard the North American debut of the new Delphia 12 Flylounge here at the Boats Afloat Show in Seattle. A stylish, eco-friendly cruiser, and we're fortunate to have Nick from Sundance Yachts to walk us through this beauty.
So this is the Delphia D12 Flylounge. This is the first in North America of this model. It's a full displacement boat with a single diesel engine. It has a 230 horsepower Yanmar. It will cruise at 8 knots, burning 3 gallons per hour. Top speed is about 12 knots. So it's very, very efficient and it's very stable. It has, like I said, it's a full displacement hull, but it does have hard chines, has bow and stern thrusters. Really, really beautiful interior. I was talking to one of our sales managers about this boat earlier, and he said what he likes about it is it's like a modern yacht on a displacement hull. So a lot of the displacement speed trawlers out there are kind of old-fashioned. They're kind of old-fashioned interiors, layouts that haven't really been updated in many years. This is not that. This is a modern boat with a really nice, really well laid out interior on a displacement hull for efficiency. So comfortable salon, really nice galley. You saw the doors open real wide. This countertop flips out here. It's really solid. And then there's a mechanism to hold it just like that.
A nice, spacious aft deck.
Yep. A lot of room in the cockpit, nice seating. These are cool, just a little thing, but these stools that flip out from the table.
Oh, that's awesome.
Yeah. Nice big table, cup holders right here.
Great use of space.
Yeah.
Really expansive galley. I mean, it's just...
Yeah. And propane cooking, nice little things, like having this window here for ventilation by the cooktop. And then there's also a vent hood here.
Thought out.
Nice helm seat, two-person helm seat, access to the starboard side deck through this pilot house door. It's a big door, easy to get in and out, so you can handle lines and fenders, make it easier to single hand the boat.
Fantastic. Beautiful fit and finish.
Yeah, the fit and finish, the caulking in particular is just perfect. The gel coat is perfect. The screws are just, there's just an extra bit of attention to detail on everything. We're the first dealer in North America. This is the first one. Bow and stern thruster controls here.
Just outstanding vision.
Yeah, really, really good visibility. Good visibility, good ventilation. More ventilation up here. And then a sunshade. You can close that if you want. And then moving down forward, these lights just turned on without me having to touch a switch. So the lights are on a motion sensor. The boat was really set up for extended cruising. The fuel efficiency, LED lighting. There's little 12-volt fans in the cabins pointing at the berths. It's right there. So you don't have to run air conditioning, which it does have. You don't have to run the diesel furnace, which it does have. You could just run those little 12-volt fans, again, for efficiency and extended cruising. But it does have air conditioning with reverse cycle heat. So electric heat and air runs on the generator. It does have a generator, and it does have a diesel furnace. So it's got all of the creature comforts that you could possibly want or need. And it's a 2-stateroom, 2-head boat. So in a boat this size, it's 44 feet long, 14 feet wide. Mm-hmm. They could have made this a 3-stateroom boat. A 44-footer could be a 3-stateroom boat. But they chose to make this a 2-stateroom boat so that everything's comfortable.
Well, that's what I was about to say. You don't feel cramped at all. The headroom is outstanding.
Yeah, lots of room. Yeah, really, really good sized staterooms. And look at all the natural light in this one. It's just coming from all over. And then of course there's curtains and shades, so you can close it all up and make it dark or private when you want it to be.
As you say, it's a modern feel in the interior, but a very luxurious feel. Mm-hmm. Very, very comfortable at the same time.
And then right behind you, we've got the head that's connected to the master here. Nice head, which you can access from the hallway here. In this stateroom, we've got quite a bit of storage. More windows, lots of light. Big whole window. If that boat wasn't parked next to us, we'd have a nice
Yeah.
view out the side of the boat there. And then the other head here with some storage and equipment access through there. All the equipment is easily accessible, which is another thing that makes it great for extended cruising. If you ever need to maintain something out on a trip, everything's really accessible. Want to check out the Flybridge?
Please.
We get up to the Flybridge here. This ladder, see if I can get it right. There we go.
Oh, very cool.
There we go. You can get the ladder out of the way when you're not using
That's
it.
awesome. Yeah, that is one of the other things that really strikes you is the use of space. It's brilliant.
Yeah. Really great Flybridge. Lots of room up here. And then this is a cool feature. Check this out. So the helm seat, you can unlock it here and here. And then it moves over here, locks back down, and you've got a seat, an additional set of seats for this dinette up on the Flybridge.
Really, really well thought through.
And then this seat back, of course, flips both ways so you can face forward while underway. And just excellent visibility from up here. Bow and stern thruster controls, electronics, kind of a duplicate of what you have down below. There's storage under here. There's a little cooler ice box here. Small refrigerator, kind of drawer refrigerator.
Everything you need.
Yeah. Boat has really great side decks on both sides. Takes advantage of that 14-foot beam. And partially covered. So the covered and the enclosure, the cockpit enclosure, goes all the way to here. Zips into these zipper tracks.
Great for Northwest cruising.
Yep.
Yeah, these side decks are massive. And it's
Great, right?
Yeah.
Nice foredeck lounge area.
It's just great lines, too, as you're looking back.
Yeah, it's a really cool looking boat. The bimini, when it's not up like that, it all collapses and lays down forward, and it just completely gets out of the way. You really don't even notice it when it's laid down. It's a nice design. And the side decks are symmetrical, so they're the same spacious side decks on both sides. So we can go back down this way. Nice and secure for kids and dogs.
Boarding door.
Yeah, boarding doors on both sides. Yeah.
Nick, I can't thank you enough. This has been a real treat to get aboard the Delphia 12. Absolutely impressive boat that is making its North American debut here.
We are very excited about it. We're excited about the whole Delphia lineup, and in particular the 12, the flagship of the lineup.
Right on. Well, we will have links to your contact information, links to more information on the boat in the description, and leave comments for Nick, leave comments for us. Let us know what you think of the Delphia 12. This is absolutely beautiful.
Thanks for watching.
Thanks again.